Before buying a backup camera for your RV, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real users are definitely talking about the hidden issues that can turn a smooth trip into a stressful one. Product number 1, Pemicom 1080p HD wireless camera. Let's kick things off with the Pemicom 1080p HD wireless backup camera. What really caught my eye was its magnetic installation that takes just a minute. Priced at $112.99, it's a solid option for those wanting convenience. If you want a hassle-free setup that delivers clear night vision, this is worth a serious look. The 1080p resolution means you can easily identify objects or people from a distance, which is crucial for safety. Plus, it has a built-in 15,000 mAh battery that lasts up to 24 hours on a full charge, so you don't have to worry about it dying on long trips. The anti-glare night vision is a game changer. It makes driving at night much safer by reducing glare and enhancing image clarity. Now some users mentioned that the camera's field of view could be wider, which was a letdown for some. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly driving on well-lit roads and don't need to cover a lot of blind spots, this is not a deal breaker. Honestly, for the ease of installation and quality, it's still worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a quick setup for your RV without the hassle of wiring. Skip this one if you require a more comprehensive view for navigating tight spots. But overall, it offers great value for money. Product number 2, Yakri Dual RV Backup Camera. Next up is the Yakri Dual RV Backup Camera, priced at $89.99. The split-screen feature really grabbed my attention, allowing you to monitor both rear and front views simultaneously. If you're looking for enhanced safety while maneuvering, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this camera is the effortless installation, no tools required. The 7-inch display is sharp, even in bright daylight, which is key when you're reversing. Plus, the dual camera setup provides a wider perspective, eliminating blind spots and making hitching trailers a breeze. On the downside, a few users reported that the night vision could be improved. But here's the thing. If you mainly use it during the day or have good lighting at night, this might not matter much for you. The added peace of mind while driving is worth the price. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward installation without the fuss. Skip this one if you need top-notch night vision, but it's a great budget-friendly option. Product number 3, Pemicom Wireless Backup Camera for RV. Now let's talk about the Pemicom Wireless Backup Camera designed specifically for towable RVs, priced at $137.99. This one stands out with its installation-free design that allows for quick attachment without any drilling. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is worth a serious look. The 170 degrees field of view means you get a clear panoramic view, ensuring you're aware of your surroundings while driving. Plus, it's solar-powered and can last up to 27 hours on a full charge, making it ideal for long trips. However, some users did mention that it can struggle with signal interference in urban settings. But honestly, if you mostly drive in rural areas or open spaces, this shouldn't be an issue. The benefits far outweigh this drawback. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel long distances in your RV. Skip this one if you often navigate through city traffic, but it provides excellent value for outdoor adventures. Product number 4, Autovox Solar Backup Camera. Coming up next is the Autovox Solar Backup Camera, priced at $219.99. What impressed me was its dual camera system and 7.2-inch monitor that offers a split-screen view. If you're serious about safety and flexibility while driving, this is worth a serious look. The solar charging feature means you can keep it powered without constantly needing to plug it in. Plus, the IP69K waterproof rating ensures that it can withstand harsh weather conditions, making it reliable year-round. However, some buyers found the price a bit high compared to other options. But here's the thing, when you consider the advanced features and reliability, it's a worthy investment for those who prioritize safety. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, feature-rich camera for your RV. Skip this one if you're on a strict budget, but the quality justifies the price. Product number 5, Nuance Wireless Backup Camera. Finally, we have the Nuance Wireless Backup Camera priced at $135.17. This one offers a stable HD image and a wide 152 degrees view angle, which is essential for RVers. If you need a reliable camera that provides clear visuals, this is worth a serious look. It also features IR night vision, allowing you to see clearly even in low-light conditions. The monitor is easy to install and can be mounted in various ways, which is great for flexibility. That said, some users noted the signal range could be limited compared to wired options. But honestly, for most RV trips, the range is more than adequate, and the convenience of wireless outweighs the limitations. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-fuss camera system for your RV. Skip this one if you require a longer signal range, but it's a solid choice for its price. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Pemicom 1080p wireless, Yakri dual camera, Pemicom wireless for RVs, Autovox solar, and the Nuance wireless backup camera. Each offers unique benefits depending on your needs. Consider what features matter most to you, and you'll find the perfect backup camera for your RV adventures.